everybody! It's me, Teacher Johan. So good to see you. Now, today I have a special treat. Do you know the alphabet? Sometimes I forget my alphabet. So, let's go on. A, alligator. A. B, bear. B. C, cat. K. D, deer. D. E, elephant. F. F, fox. F. G, giraffe. G. H, horse. H. I, iguana. I. J, jellyfish. J. K, kangaroo. K. L, lion. L. M, mouse. M. N, narwhal. N. O, owl. O. P, penguin. P. Q, quail. Qu. R, rabbit. R. S, snake. S. T, turtle. T. U, unicorn. V, vampire bat. V. W, wolf. W. X, x-ray. X. Y, yak. Y. Z, zebra. Z. Great job, everybody! If you like to play the game, learn about the alphabet and phonics, be sure to download and apply for the Smart Learning application to come learn with me and the K2s at the Smart Learning application. See you guys! Bye-bye!
Smart Learning. Up your skills anywhere, anytime.